Managing jobs in the Trak platform is a really important part of the system, and the ability to filter and choose the jobs that you see and be able to quickly find your jobs is really important. At the top of your main dashboard, you'll see a jobs list. You can filter for jobs in lots of different areas of the platform, whether you're searching for jobs on your main dashboard, or you can access the jobs tab by selecting it and opening it up in the system. When you open your jobs list, you'll be able to clearly see how many jobs you've got open in the platform. You can see from this main jobs list that every job's got a job number, every job has got a status. You'll be able to see what users or contractors are allocated to a job. You'll be able to see the job details, site address, start and end dates, and you can also manage those details from here. In the Trak platform, you may have lots and lots of jobs depending on the type of business that you run. You might want to hide jobs from this main jobs tab. You'll notice in the Trak platform with your statuses that you can choose whether a status is hidden by default or whether it is shown. So when you create your statuses and manage your statuses under your settings, you can choose that a status is hidden by default or whether it is shown. For example, closed jobs on this tab are hidden. If I want to go back and find a closed job, I'll click on my Show Filters tab, and then I can look for a job via status, and I can just look for closed jobs in the system. That will then allow me to apply it, open it up, and look for any jobs that have been closed in the past. If I want to remove that filter and go back, I can just reset that filter in the system, and it will take me back to the start. Lots of different businesses and lots of different users will want to view the jobs tab completely differently. Depending on your access level, you might be at only certain areas of the business. You might only deal with finances. You might only deal with sales or operations. So a lot of these statuses might not be relevant at a user level. Every user can set up this page to suit them. They can choose the amount of items that they show per page. They can choose whether or not the jobs are shown from newest to oldest, from ascending to descending, from earliest to latest, whatever it is, to customize this in the platform. Once you've got it set and you're happy with it, select the little down arrow next to apply and you can save that filter. That will default that filter for you all the time. If you want to reset it, you can just press the reset button. It'll take you back to the start. You'll also notice in the Trak platform that there's lots of other filters that you can use. You can filter by job types. You can filter by particular clients, by start and end dates, by different users on the jobs. You can manage these filters and set it up in the system to suit your particular business. In the Trak platform, you can also save these different filters as links, which is really important to be able to access the platform quickly without having to go through these filters each time. So for example, you might have statuses and you might just be looking for jobs that are client follow-up, for example. So you can create that filter. Every time you create a filter in the system, it will give you a link at the top of the page, and that link will allow you to copy it. And then you can go to your name at the top right. You can create a custom link in the system, okay, by going to your custom links tab. You will be able to create a new link. And then from here, you can name it. So it might be jobs that require follow-up or something similar. You can paste the link in here. And you can either choose to keep it to yourself or share it with other people in your business, and you can add that link to the system. Now what you'll see at the top of the page is you've got the ability to see your links. You can see your jobs that require follow-up. You can select it and it will filter out those job tabs for you. This is live. If you've got a job that automatically goes into that status, you will be able to see that live in your system. So it might be jobs that require quoting. It might be invoices that are overdue. It might be particular scheduling of different users. It is up to you from any of the tabs at the top how you use your custom links. Your jobs tab as well has the ability here to be filtered out and used and exported from the system as well. if you want to get a quick overview of jobs and export them out of the platform, you can obviously filter them out any way you want and just press the export button from here. It will create a CSV and send it directly to you so you can manage your exports in the platform. So this is a great way to stay on top of all of your different jobs in different areas so you don't miss anything that's important to you in the system, and you can filter them out and save your filters as needed in the platform. So managing your jobs tab will also help you manage your day-to-day business really, really simply.